Hey everyone! In this video, we'll see how to turn meeting transcripts into actionable boards using MockFlow IdeaBoard in under 2 minutes. We'll start with Tactic, where our meeting notes are already available. Simply download the transcript file. Next, head over to MockFlow IdeaBoard. Inside the editor, click on Ask Meta, then click the plus icon and select Visualize Documents. Upload the PDF file you downloaded from Tactic, and click Generate. Once uploaded, choose the items you want to generate and click Generate Board. Within seconds, your meeting transcript is transformed into a structured board. The generated board is fully editable and can also be exported as needed. That's how easily you can convert meeting transcripts into structured, visual boards using MockFlow IdeaBoard.